Yeah. This was the advent, like the invention of punk around this time.
Would you say the originators of punk?
Hey, they say that I'm talking a whole lot of trash. I'm sitting and thinking like, who knew? I know that you seen us on rappers react. They talking about us on YouTube. Hollywood 6, it look like I do magic. Maybe he's practicing voodoo. I'm hearing you're getting a lot of attention. Well, I'm here to say that we do to deliver the rubbish.
What's going on, everybody? We're back with another segment of Rappers React. Smoke.
Yeah.
Diggity.
Yeah.
Dog.
What up?
Question for you.
Yeah. What's up?
I know you don't know much about the Sex Pistols, but I just want you to take a gander at this guess here. Where was Sex Pistols' first ever gig? Was it St. Martin's College, Ravensbourne College, Chelsea's College of Arts, or King's College?
Wow. So it had to be at a college, obviously.
So St. Martin's, Ravensbourne, Chelsea, or King's?
I'm gonna say St. Martin's.
You're correct.
Oh,
You
wow.
are correct. All right, so let's see here. This is gonna be an interesting one on how to get you to guess the name of this one, Smoke.
All right.
All right, so what's that on your shoulder? This is a pack from my Lord and Savior,
King Satan.
All right, so that people would call him a
devil.
okay. Now the opposite of devil.
Oh, a savior, a lord,
Come on.
God.
Okay. All right.
It's God.
Yes, it's God. All right. Now you gotta. Hey man, if I've been playing Grand Theft Auto all day, I need to blank my game before I turn it off.
Save
All right. One of the most common words in the English language.
us.
Another one.
Thee.
Okay,
And-
all right.
Oh, God save the Queen.
You got it, my
All
friend.
right.
Guys, before we get started, please do us a big favor. Y'all please hit that thumbs up button. Guys, please subscribe to the channel.
And for God's sake, leave us a comment and tell us what to react to next. That's how we get the ideas for these videos. They come directly from you, right down in the comment section. And today, I'm excited about this one.
Oh God. Okay, hold on. Before we get started,
All right.
I know nothing of Sex Pistols.
I know of them. I don't know really much of their music though. I know of them through documentaries, music documentaries, and you, like I say, for someone to be like an icon in the music industry, you can't tell the story of music without mentioning them. So you can't tell the story of punk
Thank you.
without mentioning the Sex Pistols.
Okay, so they are punk.
Yes.
What year are we talking about here?
70s.
What?
Yeah.
I-
This was the advent, like the invention of punk around this time.
Would you say the originators of punk?
You know, I don't know. I've never really looked into who were the first, but I know
Dang, you know what?
they were right there at the forefront.
Dang it, what video did we do recently and we were talking about
The
punk?
Ramones?
Before that, I don't know, but we were doing one and we were like, who was we were talking about punk, but in the comments, a lot of the trash talker says, hey, Sex Pistols started that genre, if you really want to be honest.
Yeah.
But only thing I know of Sex Pistols is every shirt that I've seen by them has been fire.
Oh yeah.
I seen one. It was like a 44 Magnum, but the end was a dildo.
Oh, yeah.
That's awesome. dude. Sex Pistols.
Yeah, that was my nickname in high school.
Sex Pistol was your nickname.
Yes, they call me Sex Pistol Smokey.
Ah, that's fire. Oh man. No, but the name of this song is "God Save the Queen."
God Save the Queen.
Is it?
I've actually seen a Sex Pistols shirt that actually had the Queen's face and it said "God Save the Queen" on it.
Are they saying it like "God Save the Queen" or are they saying like "God Save the Queen"?
You know, I don't know right offhand, but I would guess it's kind of like a parody.
Why?
Because they were rebellious and anti-authority. And, you know, they're not going to be like, we love the Queen over here. But maybe they do.
Maybe they do.
Yeah, maybe.
Small dog.
What up?
Let's get into it.
Let's do it.
Oh, this definitely looks like the 70s.
Yeah.
Rage. I need one of those shirts.
Yeah. Is that Sid Vicious?
Wait, do you remember we had the conversation that when a lot of people sing, you don't hear the accent?
Yeah.
you might can hear it in them songs.
Yeah.
Queen, the fascist regime.
No?
I think you can hear it, yeah.
Potential hate bomb.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, yeah.
God save the Queen. She ain't no human being.
Is that a Diet Coke?
There's no future. England's
Interesting looking characters, dude.
Yeah.
Dude, this was the 70s?
Yeah.
Okay. He kicked the cymbal. I feel like this is the dance you do to this.
The 60s.
That's Oh, wow. What does that say?
HR.
Man, buddy, killing the guitar. Queen. Is that Burning Man? They rep where they're from, I'll tell you that.
That brings up some questions, man.
Plenty. Should I ask mine first? Or you want to
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. It's not really a question, more of a statement, so I'll make that statement. But, Keith, I think his name's Keith from The Prodigy. This guy reminds me a lot of him. I don't know why, but this guy, the lead singer, looks like someone that I would enjoy to hang out with. We're having fun, buddy.
Dude, I was watching. I was like, I bet those dudes just fight with each other all the time. They're probably drunk and just throwing stuff.
But still, at the end of the day, brotherly love, man.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah.
I mean, that's is that? Well, you said you had some questions.
Yeah, I was thinking, like, you saw the flag there, and with the Queen, and then the writing over her eyes. It was kind of blacked out the eyes, you know.
Right.
I wonder how the society was in England at this time. Like, were there patriots that just hated these guys, you know, like good national guys who just love their country, you know, and it's just wholesome, like, you know, we love England.
Yeah, trash talkers, y'all gonna have to educate us on that one.
Hey, some of our English trash talkers,
please
tell us about how the climate was, the social climate back in these days.
Because think about it. I mean, yes, this is a different day and age that we live in now, and things have changed. But like, when you go to the gas station now, and you'll have certain stickers that says "I did that."
Yeah. Oh,
you know?
yeah.
And a lot of people, it's either, hey, you choose this side or you choose this side. So you having a picture with the Queen that's highly respected, covered up her eyes, which is what's the word? Like when you do defamation.
Yeah.
When you, I don't even think, but basically, was that acceptable to do in that day and age?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You would think, I mean, the 70s were, the 70s were coming off of like the hippie movement and stuff like that, back into a more conservative time that ended up being, you know, the early 80s.
Right.
And into that, you know, they went away from the wild and free spirits back. Like the whole world as a whole, as a social climate,
Right.
you know, kind of got away from the liberalism of that time and more into conservatives. But this was a time period where it was still wild. You know?
Yeah, wild, man. And these guys, you could just look at them and tell. Buddy kicked the cymbal. That ain't even
Yeah.
part of the song, bro. And the dude's drum is like, don't you do it again. Don't you do it.
Yeah.
Man, yeah, to the trash talkers, especially our English trash talkers, give us some education on the Sex Pistols. I
Yeah.
mean, and also let us know what we check out next by the Sex Pistols, right?
Definitely.
Absolutely. Guys, with that being said, my name is Ranger Hollywood 6. Bye.
I am Larry Smokey Ramirez Cowell.
Here we are.
Over
And
out.
Deuces.
Thank you guys for tuning in to Rappers React today. Hey, it's been great. If you want to see another one we did, click right over. Oh, yep, that. Yep, and if you want to see another artist we did, then click right over there, and you'll be on to that one. Thank you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Deuces.